Use the diagram and the given information to find the unknown length. We have that CD to CE is equal BD to AE. Our unknown is AE, so our x. So let me rewrite our proportions. CD to CE is equal BD to AE. CD is given that this is 18, so we substitute by 18. CE, what is CE? CE is CD plus DE, and we have given CD and DE. So I can write that CE is CD plus DE. So this is equal, and BD is 21. What else? AE is our x. And now I will write this one more time. CD, we can substitute, and DE. So we have 18 over CD is 18 plus DE is 4. So this is equal 21 over x, and now is only x. So we have 18 over 18 plus 4 is 22. This is equal 21 over x. Now we can cross multiply. So we have 18 times x. This is equal 22 times 21. So now, because we have multiplication on the left side, I will divide both sides by 18. So 18 and 18 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal, we can reduce 18 and 22 by 2, so it will be 9 and 11. And now 21 and 9 we can divide by 3, so it will be 3 over and 7. So we have 11 times 7 is 77 over 3. We have x, and x is our AE. So we can write that AE is equal 77 over 3. If you want, we can change this to mixed number. So it will be 25 and 2 over 3. This is my solution.